Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting tool in the Delaverse Playground, the Microsoft Clarity Node. This handy node lets you pull in real-time user behavior data from your Microsoft Clarity projects right into your workflows, making it super easy to understand how people interact with your site or app. What's the Microsoft Clarity Node all about? Imagine having a window into your users' actions, clicks, scrolls, page views, and more, all automated and ready to analyze. This node connects your Delaverse workflows to Microsoft Clarity, helping you optimize campaigns, improve user experience, and get insights without the hassle of manual data pulling. It's perfect for anyone looking to make data-driven decisions effortlessly. How to get started? Accessing the node. Getting set up is a breeze. Head over to your Delaverse Playground. From there, just drag the Microsoft Clarity node onto your workflow canvas. Give it a fun name like User Insights Tracker to keep things organized. Next, you'll need to link it to your Microsoft Clarity account. We'll cover that in the setup below. Breaking down the key features. This node is packed with simple yet powerful components. Data pulling magic. It grabs essential metrics like total sessions, page views, clicks, scrolls, heat maps showing where users click most, and even custom events you set up. Easy filtering. Choose what data to focus on by time, like the last 24 hours or a custom period, or by specifics like certain web pages or user types, e.g., mobile users only. Secure connection. It uses a simple API token from Microsoft Clarity to keep everything safe and connected. Tracking and analytics made simple. Once connected, you'll see all your user behavior data flowing into your workflow. Sessions tell you how many people visited. Page views show popular spots. Clicks and scrolls reveal engagement levels. Heat maps visualize hot zones on your pages. And custom events track unique actions like signups. These insights help you spot what's working and what's not, all in real time or on a schedule. No more guessing games. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? After basic setup, test your connection to ensure data is flowing smoothly. Use caching to store recent data and avoid hitting API limits. You get about 10 requests per day per project. For deeper dives, pair this node with AI assistants in Delaverse to get automated summaries or alerts. And don't forget to refresh your connection details now and then for security. Why you'll love it. Empower your insights with the Microsoft Clarity node. You're in control of your user data like never before. Track behaviors, refine your strategies, and watch your projects grow smarter. Jump in today, connect your Clarity project, and start turning data into action. Delaverse makes it all possible.